Every day of your life, every moment of your existence, should be spent on enriching your spiritual self. However, many of us find ourselves pursuing careers or prospects that may give us some financial security, but no real spiritual fulfillment. You may be trapped in a job that stifles you and prevents you from expanding your cosmic consciousness. This can and will impact you, your family, and your personal life as you strive to live an existence that is against your true divine inner nature. Namaste. We are the Aaiyyan World Foundation. We have helped countless people trapped in the material world find true spiritual fulfillment. We have trained thousands to become Dravidian spiritual healers in India and around the world. We have transformed the lives of many who were stuck in a dead material existence and liberated them in the name of Murugan Aaiyyan, the master of Jnana Yoga, the yoga of knowledge. What we, as Dravidian Aaiyanists, have discovered in the process of teaching for thousands of years is that it is simple to change someone's mindset from the material plane to the spiritual one, but also to pursue a career as a healer that will not only benefit others, but yourself, in this and subsequent lifetimes. You deserve to have the financial freedom to pursue your spiritual goals. We can give you this. That is why we have created the Certified Aaiyyanist Healers course. In this course, we will teach you everything you need to know to perform a full Aaiyyanist healing session up to an Acharya level. We will distill thousands of years of learning into a manageable course that you can commit to memory, both your physical and spiritual memory, so that you may recall it for the rest of your life and your future incarnations. Once you complete this course, you will be able to practice as an Aaiyyanist healer and teacher in your own right. You will be certified and mentored by the Aaiyyan World Foundation so that your spiritual development will transcend. You will learn powerful yantras that can heal issues with any parts of the body, as well as bind you spiritually with various lokas, positive dimensions. Once you are bound to these dimensions, you will be able to command and master powerful energy forms that are housed in these realms and use them to heal, bind you to Brahman, protect you from entities, and block any negative spiritual control or curses that may be placed on you. We will also teach you how to perform a remote healing session, spiritually and physically regenerate a client, protect yourself and your client from evil and curses, and expand your consciousness to become one with Brahman. Once you master these skills and more, you will be able to travel the globe both physically and remotely and offer your highly sought-after healing services to the wider public. This will not only benefit humanity, but uplift you spiritually and transport you to regions of the sacred cosmos that have seldom been visited. This is just a small fraction of what you'll learn in this course. It covers so much more. It is 10,000 years of real-world, ancient healing experience, boiled down into one super comprehensive, spiritually compact course that will guide you step by step to gain the spiritual freedom that you have been dreaming of. We also know that many of you live in the material plane, as well as the physical one, and we will teach you how to fund your spiritual healing practice so that you can have the financial freedom to pursue your spiritual dreams. Also, as a qualified Acharya level Aayyanist, you will have the backing and guidance of the Aaiyyan World Foundation and also benefit from being wholeheartedly part of a rich community of the many Aayyanists around the world. Do not continue to suffer in an existence that is not part of your destiny in this incarnation. Do not continue to waste this life in the pursuit of something that is meaningless and material. Do not continue to worry about your financial situation instead of your spiritual one, when you can solve both by becoming an Aaiyyanist healer. Take the Certified Aaiyyanist Healers course now, and liberate yourself.